Maybe you're not on the oil bandwagon and you don't use essential oils in your house, and that is completely fine. But I would then ask you, do you know what's in the candles that you're burning in your house? Are there chemicals that are going into your air? Bet you there probably are, and the candles that you're getting aren't the highest quality. So with that, a couple years ago, I made a pact to switch over my candles to essential oils and using a diffuser. And that is exactly what I have done. So today I'm going to show you real quick how to just care for your diffuser. So I've got two here. As you can see, they're quite dirty on the inside, and I've done that specifically for this video. And what you're going to want to do is, as you can see here, it's dirty. We're just going to take a rag, just our paper towel, and we're going to clear it off. And look at all of that that's coming off. That's disgusting. We're going to really clean it off, get all of that out. And once I've done that, you can see here, there's this little white spot, and there's one in this, and there's one in that. And what you're gonna do is take a Q-tip, once you've cleaned everything inside, and just lightly go around that with some warm water and try and clear off the residue from there as well. Now, once you've done that, take the top of your diffusers, wash them with warm water and soap. And then once you've finished clearing this out and you've done the cotton swab, same thing, just some warm water and go over the whole base again. Let those dry, and you never want to get soap in the center part. That's a no-no. Let these dry and then run one full diffuser cycle with nothing but water. Now, there's a lot of benefits to keeping your diffuser clean, but the main one is that your diffuser is going to last significantly longer. And if you look at the description, you'll see some of the other amazing benefits. And if you have any questions, comment below. Have a great day.